The evening scalper by Valery trading is not looking too bad. Look, the growth of the graph is not the best. I've seen better graphs from Valery trading, and she's got multiple other robots, or she has got multiple other robots, and this one is not the best of the best. But in actual fact, if you are interested, we are going to delve into the nitty-gritties as much detail as possible in order to help you make that informed decision whether you should buy the evening scalper or not. Hi there, my friend, Errol Mulia, and welcome to another video. In this specific video, we are looking at the evening scalper, and we are going to delve into as much detail as we possibly can. Now, if you don't know me by now, and why should you watch this video, I've been in the online space and especially involved in forex trading since the year 2015. Now, I've got a wealth of knowledge. It's about 9 years. I've got a wealth of forex trading robot knowledge. And in this video, I'm going to share a few things with you that you really need to look for if you are looking at making an informed decision, whether you should buy the evening scalper or not. It's entirely up to you. So this is going to be an evening scalper review. I used to sell my own forex trading courses. I used to trade with forex trading robots. I no longer trade forex trading robots. A lot of people are asking me. I do a lot of PAM trading and forex investments, etc. Now, it's not to say forex robot trading is bad at all. There are very good, excellent performing forex trading robots out there, and I've done numerous video reviews based on a massive amount of forex trading robots. But once again, it all depends on what it is that you want to do. Now, before we continue, on your screen right now is a disclaimer. Please take some time, read that disclaimer, and let's continue along. Now, the evening scalper by Valery Trading, besides this forex trading robot, I have in actual fact on the top right-hand side of your screen right now, I've done numerous reviews based on the majority of these forex trading robots, and there are some really good ones to have a look at and to pay attention to. So it's extremely important that you watch those videos as well. Now let's get right into it. On your screen right now, we are on the Valery Trading homepage, and if you stick with me, I'll share exactly with you how you can get hold of this robot, where you can go. We are going to talk about a forex broker in this case, and we're also going to talk about forex VPS services. And at the same time, within this video, we are also going to talk about, should you feel that forex trading is not for you and you would rather build yourself a proper legitimate business that generates as much money as you want it to generate, depending on the amount of work you're willing to put in. Now, that is what I'm doing, and just by doing that, I will not be able to make nearly as much money with forex trading robots compared to that which I'm doing. Now, if you stick with me, I'll share with you exactly what it is within this video. But first, let's continue with the evening scalper review. Now, on the homepage, this is what the evening scalper homepage looks like, and it's not much. Look, there's some here's some videos for you to look at of guys actually using Valery trading robots. So it's definitely something for you to have a look at. As you can see on the top, there is a special evening scalper pro at a discounted price of from 2,600 to 2,340. Now, you can start your free trial if you want to, but in this case, we are looking at the evening scalper. As you can see, evening scalper right there. Okay, so something important to have a look at is this evening scalper based pairs. You definitely want to have a look at that description, because then I've opened up the MyFix book. So if you click on this, it will open up the MyFix book, and it also says here evening scalper based pairs. Now, these two does talk to one another. Just a tip from me to you: a lot of forex developers and traders out there, they keep on changing this little embed code here, and they keep on loading a new profile. So if one profile is performing extremely bad, they load another profile. Now, this is not, I'm not saying this is the case with Valery Trading at all. I'm just saying it's something to pay attention to. So by the time of you watching this video and you're on the evening scalper homepage like this, and this section here changed, and the wording here changed, then you can always ask them, send them a support ticket and ask them, say, listen, I watched the video not so long ago where you guys on your homepage had a totally different profile. Please share that profile with me. I want to see how the robot's actually been performing, because you guys had a different profile. Now, that's just something to pay attention to. Okay, next, something very important is the custom analysis. Okay, so in this case, the custom analysis is not set. So that is a good thing. What that means is if the custom analysis was set, some traders, some developers hides trading data from you. So you cannot see how the robot's been performing. You only see what they want you to see. Now, this custom analysis tool lets you bypass that. So you can click on the custom analysis. You can select all the pairs, click on analyze, then it will literally bring up all the trading history of that forex trading robot since inception, since it was registered with the broker, since it started trading. So then you can see the actual live data, so all the overall performance. In this case, it is not set. So what you are currently seeing up at the time of us shooting this video, you are literally seeing all of the trading history. Now, I cannot guarantee anything. Whatever I'm sharing with you is my personal opinion, my review based on my experience. So like I said, I've got a wealth of knowledge, and that is why I'm sharing this with you in order for you to make an informed decision. Now, next, the track record is verified. That's good. Trading privileges are shared. Extremely good. Live update doesn't necessarily matter, but as long as these two are ticked, then I am happy. If you don't know what it is, you're more than welcome to hover over it, and you can see exactly what trading privileges are, as well as the track record. I don't want to keep this video for too long. Now, next, the gain, the total gain so far is 116.83, and then the absolute gain so far is 39.46. Now, the average monthly gain is 2.38%. As we can see, the drawdown is 16.96%, which is not bad. Not bad at all. That's actually quite good drawdowns. Now, if you want to confirm that, you can click on the drawdown tab, and you will see this is how it's been performing. So yours was a 15% in the year 2022, July 2022, and then ever since, call it the year 2023, around about November up until now, the drawdown has been slightly higher, and it looks like it's kind of hovering in the higher range. So that is just something to pay attention to as well. I'm not sure what the reason is for that. Is it the amount of risk that the robot is using, or is it open trades? I can't tell. So another tip from me to you, what you also want to pay attention to when buying or purchasing forex trading robots. I prefer using a forex trading robot that places a hard take profit and a hard stop loss. So what that means is, as soon as the trade is placed, the trade firstly is registered on the broker's server. The take profit zone or line is registered on the server, as well as the stop loss is registered on the server. So at any point in time, should something happen with the robot or with your laptop, internet connection, or anything like that, or anything goes wrong, it doesn't matter which direction the market goes. You're either going to get stopped out or you're going to take a profit. One of the two. I don't like forex trading robots that uses a percentage risk or a percentage drawdown to close trades. Some of the forex trading robots does not even use a stop loss. It works on a set of indicators and ratios, and depending on how it's performing, it decides to close the trade or decides to open the trade. Now, the problem with that is, at any point in time, if there's a problem with the robot, with the calculations, with the indicators, with your PC, your laptop performance, your internet connection, and the robot does not know what to do, and there's a massive news release in the market, and the market either spikes upward or spikes downward, either way, and there's a problem with the robot at that point in time, you can end up blowing your account overnight like this, or you can end up making a hell of a lot of profit. So it can go both ways. But is it willing? Are you willing to take that risk? Is it worth the risk of blowing your account by trading like that? I don't think so. Definitely not, from my personal opinion. I know, because I've been there before. I've done that. I've blown accounts before. I know what it feels like. Okay. Next. The current balance of the account is sitting at 209.19 Australian dollars. The highest the account's ever been is 210.01. In actual fact, the deposits they've made is 150 Australian dollars deposit, and you can confirm that by looking at the chart. This little section, the green dots, means deposit. You can see they've made a deposit of 50 Australian dollars right here, December 21, the year 2021. And they have then made another $100 deposit October 9th, the year 2022. Withdrawals, they haven't made any withdrawals, because you would have seen the red dots here on top. It will show your deposit, your withdrawals. So deposits, green at the bottom, withdrawals, red at the top. Okay. Now, before we continue, like I said, my name is Errol Muller. I am the owner and founder of this hub right here called empiredigest.com. Now, if you want to see what it is that I'm doing, where I earn anywhere from $500 up to $1,000 per sale on average, then you're more than welcome to check this out. Now, I want to ask you a question. Are you happy with where you are currently in your life? Are you happy reporting to a boss? Have you ever thought of just, resigning, quitting? You want to do your own thing. Are you in control of your life, of your finances? So I want you to be brutally honest with yourself. Are you happy where you are currently? If you want to really make a financial change and see the opportunity of large amounts of money that can be made, there's no guarantee because I don't know you, but the opportunity is there. I know I've been doing this myself for the past 2 years and I've made thousands of dollars online. Then I want you to check this out. It's the first link in the description of this video. Click the yes, I want in, register, watch that trading. This is what the inside looks like. Let me quickly show you. So once you register, you've watched the trading, you will become part of my followers, part of my email list. And there's a section, there's one email where I invite you to become part of our community, community.empiredigest.com. In actual fact, you can create yourself an account for free at community.empiredigest.com. I will also leave it in the description below this video under the social links where I share my profiles with you, my shorts, my everything, where I share income with you. You're more than welcome to check it out. And should you want to become part of our community, this is especially for online entrepreneurs, not necessarily for forex trading. This is for online entrepreneurs, people looking at building a legacy, building a long-term sustainable business online. Now, once again, once you register all of that, you can become part of the community. But at the same time, this is what the back end looks like. At the time of me shooting this video, it's called the Affiliate Business System. You literally get the opportunity to launch your own highly profitable, very successful business within 7 days or less, step by step. You can go through every single one of this, and it shows you exactly what you need to do in order to set up a business and start generating commissions like this. As long as you follow along and you do what is required of you, not only do you get access to this, you actually get access to all of this: internet traffic mastery, list building mastery, a hell of a lot of things. So in my case, I'm also part of the Build Your Community Challenge. You might not necessarily get access to this right now. There will be an option for you to get access to this right now. The YouTube ad section is still coming. So my friend, if you are tired and you've been brutally honest with yourself and you are not happy with your finances where you are currently in your life, I highly suggest you check out the first link in the description of this video. Check that out. Get started, make that decisioning purchase, get started, and I will see you on the inside. Okay, now back to the review. So next, very important thing you want to have a look at, if you scroll down, click on the summary tab, because once you click on the summary tab, it shows you exactly what pairs it's currently trading, what pairs this robot uses. So in this case, the evening scalper makes use of AUD NZD, Euro AUD, Euro NZD, NZD CAD. And if you look under the total section right here, you'll see the profits and everything else that it's been making with these pairs. Okay, so that's just a summary. Next, the duration. Durations are also extremely important because this will tell you also a lot about the robot. So in this case, it's called the evening scalper. So it's a scalper robot. So the trades should not necessarily take longer than 24 hours at all. So if you look at it, in actual fact, the majority of trades closes within the first 6, 7, 8 hours. Okay, majority of the trades. Then you've got a few trades that are staying open for 2 days. 2 days. So it is a scalping robot. So this is a rather longer duration, so I prefer the shorter. And once again, any trade that stays open for longer than 24 hours means that it's actually, you're going to have to pay overnight swaps. So swaps is a fee you have to pay for the trade staying open for longer than 24 hours. No matter whether the trade was in a profit or a loss, the trade was closed, you still have to pay that overnight swap. Okay, so it's literally money out of your profit or money on top of a loss. Hopefully that makes sense. So try and keep the duration of trades as short as possible. Okay, this is now the robot, and this is how the robot trades. So something to pay attention to as well. Next, we are going to go to the monthly analytics just now. It's very important. So do stay tuned. Firstly, I want to share with you quickly where you can purchase the evening scalper. Quickly talk about Forex Broker. and then talk about VPS services. So the second link in the description below this video will take you over to this section right here, Forex Trading Robots on my hub. You can scroll down, you'll see Forex Store, FX Automated Robots, then this section right here, Valery Trading Industry Leading Advisors. Just click on the Access Now button. Once you click the Access Now button, it will open up the Valery Trading homepage. Now up top, you can see other Forex Trading Robots. Like I said, I've reviewed on the top right hand side the majority of them, and you can check them out right here. That is how you get hold of the Evening Scalper robot. Now, on that same page, I want you to scroll down, which is the second link. Then I want you to go back to the Forex tab. Click on the Forex tab. I'm going to share the broker with you that I've been using since the year 2015. In actual fact, in my previous video, I started doubting myself. I think I started using them since the year 2012, if I'm not mistaken. But it doesn't matter. Let's work as from the year 2015. I still use this broker till this day. Okay, Forex Trading Brokers, the section right here. If you click on the Learn More, it will open up the broker that I recommend, which is FX Open. I've made numerous deposits, withdrawals. They are very strict when it comes to withdrawals. So it's a good thing, because that means nobody can necessarily scam you and steal your money, because they have to verify everything before you can make your withdrawal. I like that. That's a good thing. So FX Open, do check them out. So going back one page. Now we're going to talk about Forex VPS services, which is this tab right here. Okay, why make use of a Forex VPS service? So if you remember at the beginning of this video, I said to you at any point in time, if your Forex robot has got a calculation error, an indicator error, an internet connection error, a laptop or a performance issue, what's going to happen is the robot does not know what to do at that point in time, and you can either end up making a lot of money, blowing your account, dependent on how the Forex trading robot trades, dependent on the style, the strategy. Does it make use of a hard take profit, hard stop loss? You understand what I mean? Okay, so here's just a few recommended ones. Scala Hosting, FX Open's VPS service, and then AccuWeb Hosting's VPS service. Reason for using them, they are up 24/7, 99.99%. Should they schedule maintenance, they will let you know way in advance. So then that gives you enough time to either close your trades, wait for the trade to finish, or if it uses a hard take profit and a hard stop loss, you can literally just close down your MetaTrader, close down the server, let them do the VPS, let them do the maintenance, restart it all up, because it doesn't matter which way the market's going to go. Your trade is already registered on the broker's website or server, and it will either take profit or stop loss. Doesn't matter. Okay, that's if we're looking at a bullish market. Take profit here, stop loss here. Bearish market, stop loss, take profit. Okay, just thought I'd put that out there as well. Okay, so back to I needed to share that with you. It's very important. So now back to the Evening Scalper account or my FX book, monthly analytics. I've always recommended that you start and you trade with something that's got a trading history of 3 years to 5 years and upwards. Reason for that is it means that the robot went through very volatile situations within the market. Massive news releases, spikes in the market, volatile situations. Now that is what you want, because that then tells you that this robot's been trading for a fair amount of time and it's upholding its results, which is a good thing. So that's just my recommendation. Look, there's plenty of Forex trading robots out there, new ones that's only been trading for a few months, that's doing phenomenally. I cannot say it's going to continue carrying on like that. I can also not say it's going to fail. We don't know. It's a risk you have to take. So once again, on that note, I always recommend trading with either 5 Forex trading robots or 10. Reason is you want to you cannot ever eliminate risk, but you can lower your risk. So by doing that, you're actually spreading your risk over different currency pairs, different trading styles, different Forex trading robots. So should 2 or 3 fail, you've got another 7 or 8 going for you. Okay, so you don't lose all of your money at once. But if you put all of your money and all of your eggs in one basket, guess what happens when you drop the basket? Most probably all of the eggs will break or crack, or one of 2 will be still in good condition. That's now if you take a massive loss, you might end up with a 20% of your account that's still left. So that's just another tip from me to you. Now, in this case, we've got 2021. Scrolling back up, let me show you. If you click under the general tab, it shows you the leverage is 1 to 500. So should you open yourself an account, you already know that The evening scalper uses a 1 to 500 leverage. In this case, it's a real account, so they are literally trading with their hard physical money, which is a good thing. If it's a demo account, doesn't matter, it's still live trading data, but it's just not their own money. So in this case, they're putting their money where their mouth is. So start to date, this trading robot or this account with the broker started trading on December 21st, year 2021. It was only added April 14th, year 2022 to my FX book. So that doesn't matter. The trading data that you're seeing right now is from December 21, 2021. Now, if you scroll down and you go back to right here, you can see December when it started, they had a 0% gain or 0% loss. The year 2022 looked rather better. The year 2023, it looked okay with one massive loss at about minus 10%. And then the year 2024, they had a loss and then a few profitable ones, then loss, profitable, loss again. Now, if you look at this, I actually want to see something here quickly. Just bear with me. Profit, loss, pips. Okay. If you go back up to the chart, you can actually see this is now where those losses are coming in, because look at that right there. So it performed very well up until about this peak right here, November 2023, and then from there it just looks like it's going downwards. So not to say that it will stay in the downwards momentum, it's just something to pay attention to. So when you tune in, and by the time you're watching this video, it might have changed. This profile also might have changed, the evening scalper best pairs profile. So also pay attention to that. Okay, extremely important. Once again, my friend, definitely check out the first link in the description below this video should you want to change your financial future and make more money online than you've ever made before. I'm making way more money with this than with forex trading robots, PAM trading, all of that. Okay, so PAM trading robots, it gets seen more like an investment. We look at average percentages per month of income and of growth, whereby with this, the sky's the limit. You can make as much money as you possibly want, depending on what it is that you do, how hard you're willing to work it. Okay. So once again, my friend, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. May you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, happy, financially successful, loving life going forward. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Give this video a like, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.